Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are getting a head start on the future and taking a look at the highly anticipated 2025 Volkswagen T-Roc. This revamped compact crossover is rumored to be Volkswagen's last hurrah for combustion engines before they dive headfirst into electric vehicles. A bold new look. While official details are still under wraps, leaked images suggest a significant design refresh. We might see a prominent hourglass grille inspired by the new Tiguan, flanked by sleek LED headlights that scream innovation. The bumper is also rumored to sport vertical air vents, adding a touch of dynamism. More space, more power. The new T-Roc is expected to stretch slightly, offering more legroom and cargo space for passengers in gear. Under the hood, whispers point towards engines borrowed from the latest Golf and Tiguan. This could include lively 1.0L and mild hybrid petrol options, or the powerful 2.0L TDI diesel engine. A hybrid option emerges? The big news might be the introduction of a plug-in hybrid variant. Imagine a 1.5L engine paired with a powerful battery delivering around 204 horsepower and an electric range of up to 62 miles. This could be a game-changer for those seeking both performance and eco-friendliness. Classic transmission options remain. While the future of electric vehicles is bright, Volkswagen might keep the familiar 6-speed manual and 7-speed dual-clutch automatic gearboxes available. This caters to drivers who love the feel of a traditional transmission. Tech and safety at the forefront. The 2025 T-Roc is expected to be a tech haven, featuring Volkswagen's latest infotainment system. Stay connected, navigate with ease, and access your favorite tunes, all with a simple voice command. Safety should be top-notch too, with features like emergency braking and adaptive cruise control, keeping you protected on every journey. The ultimate all-rounder. Whether you are navigating city streets or venturing off-road, the 2025 T-Roc promises a thrilling yet comfortable ride. It's the perfect all-rounder, ready for any adventure you throw its way. Outro. The 2025 Volkswagen T-Roc is shaping up to be a true game-changer in the compact crossover segment. With its potential electric capabilities, cutting-edge tech, and focus on safety and performance, this T-Roc might just be the perfect blend of innovation and practicality. Call to action. What are your thoughts on the upcoming T-Roc? Are you excited about the possibility of a hybrid option? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more exciting car news and reviews. Thanks for watching.